And then this kit, to get the carbon fiber kit, full carbon fiber, the whole car, it's an extra $250,000.
Sounds like that.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome here to another episode on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the automotive world of YouTube, covering some of your biggest car YouTubers. And in today's episode we're going to be covering the big news from DDE, TJ Hunt, Novitecs Sports and Touring, and Royalty Exotics. That's who we're in for today. If you're new to the channel, thanks very much for taking a minute out of your day. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. If you like this kind of stuff, guys, click the subscribe button. As we get bigger, more things will happen. I do have big plans for the channel. I do want to get a project car, and hopefully we can turn this thing into a talk show. If you're interested in coming on the show and having a chat with me on Zoom on a weekend about some of your favorite car YouTubers, hit me up on my Instagram. Let me know you're interested and we can try and sort something out. It's something I've been wanting to do, so do let me know. Also, guys, before we get into today's episode as well, when we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm giving away this Lamborghini LED sign. So for the being chance to win, just gotta click the subscribe button. Simple as that, guys, and we'll sort out doing the giveaway. I do really want to give this thing away. I don't know what's going on with it. It keeps falling off the wall. I think my neighbours, I must think I'm nuts, because I woke up, I think it was Friday night at something, at 4 in the morning. I heard a big dush. And I was like, what the hell was that? Just went back to sleep, woke up next morning and saw this thing on the ground. So I'm using double-sided sticky tape for this stuff. It's cheap, so it's probably as strong as my dating game, which is non-existent at the moment. So yeah, I really want to get rid of this thing, so do hit the subscribe button, guys, and I'd love to give it away to one of you guys. And don't be afraid to comment below. I love your comments, guys. Keep them up. I love chatting to you in the comments as well. So in today's episode, as I said, the first person that we're going to be jumping straight into is Novitec. Guys, Novitec do their Supercar Diary series, and it is, I would say it's up there, one of my favorite series. Like, it's unbelievable. And their latest one is the Ferrari 812 Largo Superfast of their own Novitec kit, the way they do it. And when I saw this come up, I was like, holy crap, I need to see this video. Because I've seen this kit before, I've always seen it up close, but I never knew they made a full carbon fiber body kit for this car as well. It's insane. Like, this thing it's beautiful. It's so nice. Basically, you're talking around 2 to 250 American dollars, say 250,000 American dollars for the 812. And then this kit, to get the carbon fiber kit, full carbon fiber, the whole car, it's an extra $250,000. So you're all in for maybe $500,000 for this car. If I won the lotto, I'm not gonna lie, I would definitely have a full carbon 812 Largo Novitec kitted car in my fleet, because it sounds unbelievable with this Novitec exhaust system on it as well. Check this thing out. Holy shit, guys, what an exhaust note. Definitely up there, one of my favourite exhaust notes off a Ferrari that I've ever heard. Novitec just kill it, but my god, that carbon fiber kit on the Ferrari, it's drooling. Like, I could just stare at that car all day in the sun. I think that thing would be a neck breaker, bringing that thing to a car show or a car meet. It was so worth the money. That, honestly, if as we're going to cover further on in the video, with DDE selling their Murcilago, I honestly think this is what they should get to replace it with. Full carbon fiber. I know now they already have Ferraris there, but it would be absolutely sick if they did. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Have you seen this video? Do you watch Novitec? If you had the money, would you definitely buy one as well? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. Next on to the next person is going to be TJ Hunt. I was delighted when I knew he got new wheels. I was so intrigued to see what he's after getting. Yeah, I mean, look, what can we say? It's TJ Hunt. You knew he was going to pull out the stops for a new set of wheels for his Aventador, and he did not disappoint. I mean, holy moly, what a set of wheels. HREs, they're basically, if you haven't seen the video, HRE have a Pacific style. But from what I'm seeing, what they've done is they've taken the style they kind of already have and just added circulars into the style to make it that kind of Diablo-esque old Lamborghini wheel that just goes so well with Lamborghinis. And all I can say is the colour choice, perfect to go with the purple and the carbon fibre bits, the other bits he's going to be getting. I mean, the stance in this is so sick. Absolutely love the wheels on this car. Like, fair play to TJ. This is why I love watching his channel. His mod selections are so good when he modifies a car. And definitely one of the sickest Aventadors out there. You just gotta, like, at the moment for car YouTubers, it's one of my favourite Aventadors out there with the colour and when he finishes it off. But we shall see what Stradman does when he gets his Liberty Walk Wide Arch Aventador finished as well. So, fair dues TJ Hunt, guys. What you think of the wheels, let me know in the comments below. I love the colour combo with it, with the polished lip and the nice satin brushed bronze. It's a perfect combination. I would have went with gold myself personally, like a satin gold, but the bronze is pretty sweet as well. Next on, who we're going to be covering next is DDE. So the announcement has been made by Damien that the Lamborghini Murcilago is up for sale. I had a feeling it was going to happen. The reason why, I'm going to give my explanations why I thought it was going to happen. That car is seen the garage more often and the mechanic shop more often than it's seen the road. Damon is a very aggressive driver. DDE is all about driving their supercars aggressively and modding the living hell out of them. And Murcielagos, you just can't, from what I've seen, you just can't do that with these cars. They need to be babied regularly, treated very well. The clutches don't like being hammered pretty much, and I think he's putting more money into this car than any other car that he has in his fleet. I'm good that he's selling it, but at the same time, you can understand from a business perspective, it's probably, he's not a collector, and to leave that sitting there unabused is just not the DD way. So, it's gonna go, and I'm telling you, somebody will snap that up for 500,000 Canadian. It is a good deal, I think. I don't know, maybe let me know in the comments below. But as I said, I would, Joe, what it is, what car you should replace with. Get on, tell them, lads, get tagging 5-Star-Cars on DD's Instagram page, saying we said Ferrari F12 Ferrari A12 Superfast N Largo Novitecs full carbon fiber body kit. That would be pretty sweet on the channel. That would be my choice. But let me know in the comments below what you think else they should get after selling the Murcielago. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts, guys. Next up on the batting list is Sports and Touring. My friend Anthony over in the UK. He's dropped a video of his new supercar, his Audi R8 GT Spider, which is absolutely gorgeous and sounds pretty. It acts pretty. It sounds really sick. He brought it out for basically a test run for us guys to hear the engine notes and these engine sounds. My god, it's so sweet. It's ridiculously nice. I was so jealous watching it, just saying, man, I wish I'd be in that passenger seat. But here you go, guys. You got to check his channel out. He's really going to make good content. The way he actually does his content is really sick. But here's a quick clip of the R8 GT Spider for you. And there you have it, guys. Again, congratulations to Anthony for picking up such a wonderful, beautiful car. Again, just so jealous. It's such a beautiful car, and those downshifts on that thing are absolutely sick. It's ridiculous. Can't wait to see the more content he makes with it. It's just such a beautiful car as well. And you know, even he said the suspension is pretty not unbelievably stiff in them, and not as stiff as you thought it would be, but it's really good for sticking to the roads and going around corners. So yeah, really, guys, check out his channel, link in the description below. Definitely worth a watch, and checking out his other videos as well. Last but not least on the list, we're going to have to cover the big, I suppose, kind of big news from Houston and Royalty Exotics. His latest video, he imported a load of parts from Bugatti for the interior of a Bugatti, and the ending was, as somebody said in the comments, was better than a Marvel ending. The way it was a cliffhanger. He's basically, the parts he got in, I think they were all like a brownie beige colour kind of, all brand new. One of the pieces, I can't remember which one, I think it was the starter or something like that cost like $20,000 or $5,000 or something. Crazy money. I don't know how much he spent on the inside parts for that Bugatti Veyron. It's nuts. But he's building, he wants to build a third one from scratch, and then he's got all these parts in, and you're kind of going like, where's he going to get this Bugatti Veyron? He's sold those two, he's now getting a third, and then he drops basically saying this.
Anybody know of a Bugatti that went in the water? Oh wait, there is one.
So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I don't, is that full Bugatti still around? The one that Tavarish was and Ed Bowling were looking into about buying before. I wonder if it is. If it is, that's probably the one he's going to go for. And that would be some project to see that get rebuilt. Now that is something I would really like to see Houston do. That would be insane. And we still got to see his hypercar. I know Mandy's been teasing about the hypercar in his other video, who I will be covering tomorrow on the new car he got. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the news from Royalty rebuilding a full Bugatti Veyron, and you know, where do you think they're going to get the Veyron, if you think it's the flooded one indeed. So crazy, good times ahead for us, guys. So that is everything for today. Hope you like this video. If you're new again, give it a like, definitely comment below, and even better, subscribe, because you could win this. So that is it for today, guys. As I said, wherever you are in the world, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.